Before I go on, I'd just like to say, बहुत दिनों बाद मिले आप लोग बातें खत्म कर लो। सुनीता और राधा बात करना चाहती है, रमेश रात से बात कर लो, सब बात खत्म कर लो, उसके बाद बात कर। We would like to please quiet, guys. Come on. I just like to say that in life, the work that we do, especially the work in films or any artistic endeavor that we do, like in everything in life, there are always going to be two sides to it. There are ups and downs, there are goods and bads. What I call in the film industry the beauty and the beastly. So the beauty of the job that I've done for years, which is 20 years, has been the fact that I get to share love with people, people touch me. I'm able to touch lives of people without even knowing it at times. The beastly part of it is the high expectation anxiety, the creative loneliness, and sometimes unwarranted scrutiny of your life. Titles. Really, guys? मतलब मैं तो बोल ही रहा हूँ यार, कहाँ से नहीं आया? So, as I was saying, when I was interrupted by audio नहीं you know what, a life which is, having titles from the fantastic to the absurd, from Badshah to Batmiz. All these things, then you're compensated materially for what I do. You have, you get to stay in big hotels, you fly private charter planes, you wear designer clothes, you get Filmfare Awards, which make you feel very happy momentarily, temporarily, but happy nevertheless. And then, finally, the biggest of them all, which I call the compensation for the soul in this profession. Things that happen to you that will be beyond all that I've mentioned, all the beauty and the beastly. Things that you will cherish at the end of it all. Happened to me one night on a terrace. Retro music, remixed as it always is nowadays, playing. Lights, very windy. And I was in a moment in life where I know that when everything gets to its end, these are the few thoughts I'll take away. It happens perhaps once or twice to every star who's been working for years. It could be a movie, it could be having a conversation with a man or a woman that will touch your life. I was touched that night. I had Jatin, the photographer, and an old friend who had set up his lights. My two best friends, beyond the fact that they work in media or film journalism or whatever their profession is, Jitesh and Anuradha, they were standing there. And I got to meet face to face with two people who have perhaps shaped my life without me knowing it, wanting to be someone beyond who I was. And both of them walked in. I've always said it's very special to breathe the air, the same air as some people. But two great people, great actors, great stars, fantastic human beings, like I said, must have shaped many of our lives and our parents' lives. Both of them walk in. And just the fact that they could acknowledge you and say, "Hi, Shahrukh." Dilip Saab didn't say that. Amit ji said, "Hi, Shahrukh." And Dilip Saab just patted me on the shoulder. Just to meet those two people who perhaps have, without ever realizing, touched my life and chartered what I have become. I want to thank Filmfare, I want to thank Jatin, I want to thank Jitesh, I want to thank everybody at Filmfare for giving me that opportunity, all the boys and girls who we sat and chatted afterwards with, for giving me this moment in life. I will cherish it always. It's not just a photograph for me for the Filmfare cover, it's a moment in time that I will keep as the most prized possession of my life, material and otherwise. So thank you very much for being here tonight, giving me this opportunity. Jatin just told me he's making a booklet of all the pictures for all of you to keep. I don't know it will ever matter to Dilip Saab or Amit ji, but for me it will be one of the greatest mementos I have gathered in this career spanning 20 years. In the famous words of Thomas Hardy, in The Mayor of Casterbridge, when the wife looks at her husband in a pub giving a speech, I would say, now that I've done this, I can pass away and die. I hope you enjoy the picture, just enjoy the photograph. For me, it's a very, very personal, and I actually give Jitesh a hug for allowing me to do this. Thank you. And bow down my head and thank everyone at Filmfare for giving me this opportunity. And God bless you all. And I hope you like the photograph. I haven't seen it yet, but it's more than a photograph. So thank you everyone for being here. And thank you Filmfare. And thank you, of course, Dilip sir and Mr. Amitabh Bachchan for allowing me in the same space as themselves. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And likewise, we are also eager to see how the picture actually looks like. So shall we unveil the special collector's edition of Filmfare magazine celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jitesh Pillai and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan unveiling the ultimate guide to best of Bollywood. Here it is on the cover, Dilip Kumar Saab, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Maybe you should hold the bigger posters back. I sent you some pictures. Seen the magazine.
Fantastic. Good to be in a picture where I look the youngest.
Right side.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan holding these cover pictures, making for another cover picture with you holding these covers. So how do you like it?
It's fantastic. I think it's. I haven't seen it. I think it's. Like I said, I will never be able to gauge it as a picture, but because Jatin has done it, Jatin, great job here.
We have a round of applause for Mr. Jatin. Go on.
Yeah, you made me look the youngest in this picture. Thank you. But absolutely fantastic.
Thank you. And Mr. Jitesh Pillai has a lot of questions and a lot of input from the shoot. Over to you, sir.
So thanks, Jatin. Thank you for making it so special. But I have to say, this iconic cover would not have been possible without me badgering Shah Rukh, and Shah Rukh very gracefully taking a chopper from Vai and coming and making it possible for us. It was like a movie star moment. Like they say, some people have Madonna moments. This was my movie star moment. Seeing three icons there. Dilip Saab patting Shah Rukh's hand. Amit ji telling Shah Rukh, धूम्रपान करना सेहत के लिए हानिकारक है. These are all moments in people's lives which I seldom, words just fail me. So I want to ask Shah Rukh, you know, you've grown up, your mother said you look like Dilip Kumar, people say you idolize Amit Ji, and then one fine day it all just comes together and there's a cover. I mean, you've done movies with Amit Ji, you idolize. How does it, I mean, can you take us back to that experience? I know you already spoke about it, but what is the core of, you know, and because it's 100 years of cinema issue.
मैं जब पहली बार आया था मुंबई तो फिल्म फेयर ने मुझे मौका दिया था कि मैं जाके मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ एक कवर का फोटोशूट कर सकूं। मुझे उसके बाद याद नहीं है मैंने उनके साथ कोई मैगजीन के लिए शूट किया है कभी खुशी कभी, बट दैट वाज मोर लाइक एनीवे लाइक अ पिक्चर। हमारा जो पोस्टर था वो वैसे ही लगता है, बट एक इंडिविजुअल फोटो थी और मुझे याद है अमित जी जो हैं एक सोफे पे बैठे थे और मुझे उनके पीछे खड़ा होना और मुझे अपना हाथ उनके शोल्डर पे रखना था। तो मुझे हम दिल्ली में उनकी फिल्में देखकर बड़े हुए, उनको मैं एक दो बार मिला भी था बैंगलोर में, और मैंने अपना हाथ जो था उनके शोल्डर पे ऐसा रखा था कि उनको किसी तरह की हानि ना पहुंचे। ऐसा I don't know how one feels when you meet stars, but for me it was I hope I don't spoil him, I don't hurt him. So I was just resting my hand just about here, not even touching him to photograph, if you notice ever. And the next time I met was Dilip Saab and Saira Ji, and I remember she ruffled my hair and told me that if she had a son, he would look like me. And I've known Dilip Saab also from childhood because my father was from Peshawar and they knew each other. But these two moments where Dilip Saab narrated a story of, I asked Amit Ji, आप क्या करते हैं free time में? Because these are the things you want to know about people that you've grown up watching. तो he said कि सर एक घर में चूहा है, तो मैं उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ आजकल, बड़ा आवाज़ करता है रात को। And Saira Ji to say that for me, you know, I came to Mumbai 22 years ago. I don't think if after that I hadn't made it as a star, it would have mattered. Because I got to hear how to catch rats from Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and Dilip Saab and his wife tell me that I could look like the son. So my life was complete. It's been 22 years, and to call, if you had told me actually to walk down from, जैसे यात्रा पे जाते हैं, if you told me to walk down from China and come for this photo shoot, I would have. Coming in a chopper from Mumbai was no big deal. You know, just to sit with them. It's not just about the great actors they are, the great superstars they are. Just the fact that these people have seen so much in life. You can see it in their eyes. To be able to see those eyes sitting next to them, to know that you can never be what they are or what they have been, but still to feel that moment, see it in their eyes, the kind of love they have felt, the love they have given, and mainly, as you mentioned to me in an email once, I believe all big stars, all big actors, and I hope I'm not speaking out of turn, are ravaged beauties. So it's great to be in the company of two of the greatest beauties who are still remain unravaged by time, by films, or by even fans. So it was beautiful to just be there, and like I said, for me it's a moment complete, and I'm extremely thankful and thrilled that I could do this.
Also, in this issue, I know you have not seen it, there's 100 iconic movies, and there's also poll, Dilwale, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and Chak De feature in the iconic films, and I mean, coincidentally, I don't know what, the Dilwale song features as the most popular song of all times. And yeah, Tujhe Dekha To Ye Jana Sanam. And my memory is failing, but I also think there's a scene from Dilwale which scores as the most popular. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसे छोटी छोटी बात होती है. So it's truly, I mean, Amit Ji's movies, your movies, Dilip Saab's movies. So for us, it sort of encapsulates the 100 years of cinema. What would you have to say when you, I mean, there are iconic dialogues like, you know, when you talk about iconic dialogue, you say, Mere paas maan hai. So that is featured. And then you talk about Bade Bade Shehron Mein. What does it feel, these kind of moments? I mean, it's
very strange for me to speak about anything that I've done. For me, the scene from, there's so many scenes, but like when Dilip Saab was doing that scene in the film Mashal, I think, if I'm not mistaken, where he's running behind the car. Arey bhai, koi hai, and he's running and koi roko. And Amit ji saying, mere paas, Amit ji's film, where actually Shashi Saab says, mere paas maan hai. Or Amit ji's dialogues, so many of them, as a matter of fact. जो हमारी फिल्म का डायलॉग था वो हमने ऐसे ही बोल दिया था, कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं था कि वो ऐसा आइकॉनिक मोमेंट्स में या कोई मैगजीन, इतनी बड़ी मैगजीन के अंदर फीचर करेगा कि बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं सेन्योरिटा. Actually, it was a mouthful. It was very difficult to say.
I think you should say it once more for the camera.
Not pertaining to this. This is a very big part, but yeah. ऐसे बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं सेन्योरिटा. So I had difficulty saying it, but somehow I think the writers and directors they make it sound and look much nicer than it is. So I'm very thankful it is there. मैंने जब अपना करियर शुरू किया था ऐसा सोचा था कि ऐसी 5 फिल्में मैं बना लूँ जो मेरे को मेरे बच्चों को दिखाने के लिए यादगार हो. So I'm very scared. You've already put 3 of them there in different sections. So only 2 more to go. I wish I had 5 more to go so I can work harder and much longer than I have worked right now. But it makes you feel very, very happy that somewhere, as a matter of fact, now those films that you mentioned, I figured that I will go home and I've got like 2 evenings off before I get back to shooting. I think I will try and show one of the films to my children. Having said that, Chak De is genuinely one of their favorite films. And Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and Dilwale. So I'm very happy that those 3 are figured. And yeah, it makes me feel nice. But work harder for the other 2 now.
Also, for a self-confessed non-dancer, the most popular dance sequence amongst over Dola Re Dola and Ek Do Teen and Kajrare and Choli Ke Piche is Chaiya Chaiya. Would you like to recount some instance, while doing that number?
मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता है कभी-कभी. मैं 20 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. अभी भी मैं एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में था. तो मेरी ज़िंदगी जो है कुछ ऐसी ही है. छैया छैया से लेके छमक छल होता है. जहाँ पे भी जाओ मैं I remember मैं मणि रत्नम सर से हमारी जो फिल्म थी वो उतनी नहीं चली थी जितनी हमें लगती थी, स्पेशली इंडिया में. और बहुत दुख होता है जब फिल्म वहाँ नहीं जाती जहाँ पे हम सोचते हैं. बहुत दिल से वो फिल्म बनाई थी हम. एंड I remember he was very sweet and he's a gentleman. And he came and he said, Shahrukh, I feel very bad. This film didn't do well. I feel bad for you. I feel bad. Directors feel like this. And I remember telling him 2 months after the release, or 1 month, don't worry, this Chaiya Chaiya, I'm going to live off for the rest of my life. So I still am actually. So I think I'll give him a call and thank him. There are some moments in life, like you said, which will define actors. Chaiya Chaiya defines me. And मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है कि तुम कह रहे हो डोला डोला से ज़्यादा अच्छा है और एक दो तीन से ज़्यादा अच्छा है. बट मैंने माधुरी ऐश दोनों को कहा था कि मैं काफ़ी अच्छा डांस कर लेता हूँ. I mean, see, I've taught them how to dance in Dil To Pagal Hai. So yeah, they're kind of. I never thought it will make it beyond these songs. So it's a little embarrassing. But it was a great song. I think किसी ने ट्रेन के ऊपर ऐसा गाना किया नहीं. और I still remember Malaika जो पहले दिन की शूटिंग की थी वो without the song की थी क्योंकि speakers नहीं आए थे. And you had to dance and संतोष सेवन and मणि रत्नम सर सामने खड़े होते थे. और पीछे जब टनल्स आती थी तो एक वाइट कपड़ा लेके फाड़ा. So if the tunnel was behind you, all you did is you just lay down. So there are many instances where you're saying पाँव जनत चले चले छैया छैया पाँव जनत, and everybody used to just go down on the ground because the tunnel used to pass, and then you used to just keep lying down till you heard someone scream. There were no microphones. That उठ जाओ, second part. And everybody, most of the dancers were tied, and fortunately nobody fell down. But it was one of the most exciting shoots. I think there was a big crane called Akela which was used for the first time. But it was one of the most exciting, happy shoots. As a matter of fact, I'm hoping to do that again. But now we'll change it, maybe on a metro inshallah. Faster, better, and with microphones.
By the way, you've also been voted as the global icon of the century. And what do terms like global icon and what does it, given the perspective of 100 years of cinema? I mean, are they just words which are cleverly coined on the internet and then they go viral?
I don't know. I mean, yeah, now maybe, but yeah, like I was saying, so many titles down the line, Badshah, King of Bollywood, sometimes because of my behavior, personally, if you ask me, and I'm sure most of the actors will say this, it's nice to have good words and titles, global icon attached to your self. I have known you for 20 years. I would never tell anyone amongst our media friends कि इस वाली स्टोरी में बादशाह बुला देना मुझको या इस स्टोरी के थोड़ा ग्लोबल आइकॉन बोलोगे ना तो अच्छा लगेगा. I think what we finally do is get up in the morning, which is also very strange for a man to say sometimes, wear makeup and go to work. And that's all you keep doing. All the titles, all the names, I think is a way of people trying to tell you back, whether it's the media or whether it's the audience or whether it's just smart alliterations, coined up on the internet, that, they kind of appreciate what you do. And I think I take it like this. I can vouch for a lot of actors who would just be taking it as a peripheral part of their lives. The core is, हर एक्टर को यही लगता है कि सुबह उठकर मैं फिर से कुछ ऐसा काम करूं जिससे मेरा नाम जो है लोग भूल जाएं, उस कैरेक्टर का या उस फिल्म का या उस गाने का नाम याद रखें जिसमें मैंने भाग लिया है. So I'm prouder when I'm said and remembered for Chaiya Chaiya. I'm very proud when people call me Badshah. I'm very happy when people call me Bazigar. It makes you feel very, very happy. It's a very strange thing. You want to be known by the names of the characters when you're called that. It makes you feel very happy. And still you don't take them very seriously when they're larger than life than you are, like, say, global icon. And I'm very happy that for 20 years I've worked. Somehow, I participated in films with Mr. Yash Chopra, Mr. Karan Johar, Mr. Aditya Chopra, and so many of them, Mani Ratnam sir, that came in a phase when Indian cinema is crossing borders, and I happen to be a part of it, whether it's in South America, Germany, England, Australia. I think I'm just very fortunate. I was part of that movement of cinema, and it's been a great journey for me. It feels very nice. I was in Vancouver. Before that, I had just gone down to Malaysia, and so many people say the names of your films or Indian films with so much love. It makes you feel that you have done something or been part of something which is an important movement for Indian cinema. And inshallah, as the years go by, our movies will be watched all over the world as much as Hollywood films or any other cinemas watch, besides the fact that we are in Hindi.
Okay, guys, I must also tell you, because I'm in the business of making magazines, and in the last 20 years that one has worked with Shah Rukh, he's never asked to see a cover picture. I don't think, he's a bit shy when you click pictures for him to go and check the picture on the monitor. We have to literally drag him and say, please have a look, because then if I use a bad picture, you'll sulk. But he doesn't sulk. So I have to tell you that I truly think this is the first time he's seen these pictures. And he didn't say, yaar, wo wala use karna, ya ye wala. You know, I'm constantly being told what to do, how to do, when to do. So I think that speaks a lot for his humility and also self-confidence, dare I say it. That he's like, use whatever, just get the photo shoot over. He's most uncomfortable while doing photo shoots. But here is the result for all of you to see. So thank you, sir. Thank you. It really means a lot that you're part of this 100 years of cinema, this iconic issue. And you have other special thoughts to say.
No, I don't think I'm in the business of looking good, or I'm in the business of knowing what a photograph should be. So when 99% of the times, whether it's for work or for your magazine especially, I know they're experts like Jatin and like yourself, like your whole team of Filmfare. I don't really need to bother, and actually forget the fact that there's an expertise involved in lighting or which one you choose and retouch me to look handsomer. But I think what I know is that you love me. Most of the people here also, when they do an article on me or when they're doing a photograph, अगर ये मेरी फोटो ले रहा है, मुझे मालूम है बेस्ट वाली खुद ही देगा पिक फिला दे, मुझे नहीं ढूंढनी पड़ेगी. But I know the fact why you would do that, why you would do that, why everyone does that, is because I think I'd like to believe, even if it's not true, so don't break it tonight. I'd like to believe that you love me, and when you love someone, then you make sure that you make them look good. So thank you, Jatin. Thank you, Jitesh. I would never question you for a photograph. I would never question you for an article or a critical review, because I know whatever you say to me or write about me or show about me is with a feeling of love. Except एक दो चार हैं, वो कभी मिल जाएंगे तो उनसे मैं बात कर लूँगा, बाथरूम का दरवाजा बंद है, पब्लिकली नहीं करूँगा, नहीं तो फोन पे फोटो आ जाती, बहुत तकलीफ होती है. I'm joking. Please don't make this the headline that I'm going to beat up someone. Please. अभी बहुत दिनों बाद press conference कर रहा हूँ, तो सीधा I should not put my foot in the mouth. Give me another day or two of being in Mumbai and doing some more press conferences. But thank you everyone. I think thank you all of you. Thank you at Filmfare. Thank you films. thank you 100 years of cinema for making me feel so loved. Yeah, this is true. And actually, मैं बता नहीं सका. I don't know. Can we share moments? You have a video made and all. हम जब गाना वहाँ पे गाना बज रहा था जतिन के लैपटॉप में से और कुछ रेट्रो मिक्स्ड कुछ अच्छा सा था जो उसने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया है कि उसको क्या गाना था?
आँखों के सागर।
जो आँखों के सागर जो मैं गा नहीं सकता। एंड मुझे दिलीप साहब जो है जो भी आप फोटोग्राफ्स देखेंगे आई डोंट नो आई हैव नॉट सीन ऑल ऑफ देम बट थ्रू आउट दैट म्यूजिक ही हैज प्लेड दैट सॉन्ग विद हिज हैंड्स। सो कई जगह पे वो आपको ऐसे ऐसे उनके हाथ दिख रहे हैं तो एक्चुअली ही इज प्लेइंग द म्यूजिक एंड अमित जी और मैं फॉर अबाउट हाफ एन आवर और 40 मिनट्स दैट वी डिड दीज पिक्चर्स और मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल और सबसे ज़्यादा क्वाइट और अपना जॉब जो हम तीनों में से किया बेहतर वो दिलीप साहब नहीं किया। अपना आए अपना काम किया हमें खाना खिलाया मुझे खाना खिला के बोला खाओ मैंने खाया फिर कहा अब जाओ। I was very tired. I had to fly back, and I was loving sitting with him. I didn't want to leave, but there was nothing more to do, and he said, "Khao." अभी जाओ.
हो गया ना?
हो गया अभी हो गया ना? हो गया. He said अभी जाओ. And he sent me away, and so the pictures that you see, which are very special, is because he was playing the music throughout, and he kept turning to Amit ji and telling me and both of us, "Ki, it's very good." It's very good, and he kept saying it. So it's a marvelous moment here. I don't know how
he
to.
He held Shah Rukh's hand and he was constantly tapping.
एक जगह पे उनको अकेला फोटो खिंचाना था तो मैं उनको बिठाने लगा तो उन्होंने हाथ पकड़ लिया तो अकेली फोटो में मेरा हाथ पकड़ के उस पे वो पूरा बाजा बजाते रहे काफी देर तक 5-10 मिनट till he left it and then I think we got some of his solo shots. But also I don't know we shot this in his house. सायरा जी और दिलीप साहब की पूरी फैमिली वहाँ पर मौजूद थी और बहुत बड़े लोग हैं बहुत डीप लोग हैं बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं सारे के सारे. I would just like to thank them because they're not here. So I hope they see this or they hear it for the humility and the hospitality that they welcome all of us, about 50 or 60 of us, into their house. We have barged in. हम जितने भी लोग वहाँ पर थे सब फैंस थे और सारे के सारे जो थे अपनी एक फ़ोटो खिंचाना चाह रहे थे अमित जी और दिलीप साहब के साथ. And they were so kind. They did pictures with all of us, signed autographs for us. It was really taught you how to be humble and sweet and I think it was time of night when they must be wanting to retire, but they were very kind. So thank you Saira ji and thank you Dilip sir and thank you Amit ji for making us feel like wanted fans. Like
I think Shah Rukh even made them do a yo sign.
Yeah, this is my favorite picture because मैंने Dilip sir और Amit ji को yo का sign करवाया था because they were singing away. तो मैंने उनसे बोला कि आजकल जो लोग हैं वो ये सब योग करते हैं. So Dilip साहब also did this and Amit ji also, so it was very sweet. Yeah. Actually, it's a marvelous. I hope you guys get to see all the pictures besides the ones that are in film fair. I request him to put it on the net and show it to everyone because it's an important piece when Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Dilip Kumar Saab come together and have such a hearty time for the audience and very very important for 100 years of cinema. That we see the greatest icons of the film industry together. We have the opportunity to be part of it, but just as fans and people and viewers, I think it's a very important and a very cherished moment.
Thank you, sir. And before we move ahead for the open house Q&A, we would like to thank our sponsors, partners, and call them here on stage one by one. Firstly, I would like to call on stage Mr. Ishu Dadwani from Anmol Jewelers. Mr. Dadwani.
And this, I hope this will win, I wanted to win the IPL, let this be good luck challenge. Solid gold and platinum.
Thank you very much. आप आज से मेरी बहन. Thank you
so much.
Sponsoring this and being part of it. It's extremely great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to call on and thank from YFC Liftfit, Mr. Syed Rizwan.
That's nice. It's a lifetime opportunity, I will say. It's a lifetime opportunity meeting you. You have been an inspiration. The way you have grown, the stage where you are actually right now. It's completely amazing and inspiring. The only song which I keep reminding myself is the Chand Tare Ko Love every single day.
Thank you, Sai. Thank you,
I have brought a big gift for you.
Oh,
That's
thank you.
kept over there in the pink box.
Right.
Excuse me.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's a bit heavy.
It's a heavy. Okay.
You can't lift it.
Okay, so I want to thank you, Syed, for saying that how I've grown.
Yeah.
But I've not met you before, but I can tell you, from the time that you started, you have grown a lot too.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
Been
you very
working
much.
hard for that.
Maybe बहुत मेहनत करूँगा and I'll try and my thigh is about this big right now.
Yeah, maybe. I have given you a pair of dumbbells actually.
Okay, just a pair of dumbbells. Thank
Yeah.
you. I utilize them and
Yeah.
next film when you see me naked,
Yeah.
torso
At least torso up.
you know why it is because
Yeah.
we're done.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless.
I'm going to sing your song.
This song is for Shahrukh sir.
I've seen you perform in Goa.
Yes, so I'm a Persian singer. So I'm singing Persian and Hindi.
But make it snappy.
عاشق تو بودم چرا نرفتی क्या करूँ खाए कुछ कुछ होता है अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है मेरा भी दिल क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है आशिक़ तो बुदम चेरो नारफी क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है थैंक यू
It's very, very kind. Thank you so much. And this is the story of my life. That I have boys sing songs like this.
So brother to brother.
He's Persian. That's why he sang a part of the song in Persian, right?
Yes, sir.
I know a bit of Persian.
Yeah, the gift. Akshay.
Sinthori.
Let me see. I know Persian.
You gave him.
You
gave it to him.
Dilama Dag Dag Shur.
Dilamanda Abroshur.
Baba Kuja Kuja Now.
Bah.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'll explain to them. It means my heart has so many wounds, I don't have enough cotton to protect it with.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? So thank you so much.
Did you
God
give him
bless
the gift that you got for him?
Yeah.
Thank you. How many cottons?
So this
Okay. That's fine.
is perfecto.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Bless you. Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you, Ali. And now I would like to call on the venue partner for this lovely evening, owners of this beautiful property from Escobar, Mr. Vardhaman Chokse and Mr. Rishabh Chokse. The smart-looking gentlemen.
Thank you very much, both of you. I remember having Rahul opening night, and the place looks stunning. And thank you so much, Escobar.
It's always a pleasure. Get a picture together.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And I would like to call on our beverage partner, Mr. So they've already invited you, so they didn't let me invite you. Where you are?
Thank you, Sarojit. You are the king of Bollywood. You are Don. I wish you all the best for your coming film and all batting and fielding.
Thank you, Bhandari sir, and thank you for being a part of the sponsorship. It's nice to see you. It's very seldom I come to a public function and find someone more popular than me on stage.
Sir, you are more talented. Yes, मैं तो इनका सेवक हूँ और आपका निकलता है. All the best.
Shahrukh will have to sign this, huh?
Thank you very much, sir.
Sit.
And of course,
Raise your hand.
उन्होंने पूछा है कि पहली बार मेरी तस्वीर कब छपी थी. मुझे नाम याद है. एक 2 माइल का रन होता था नेशनल स्टेडियम में, जो दिल्ली के एक आई थिंक पेपर में छोटा सा नाम, मेरे पास अभी भी वो कटिंग है, मैं सेकंड आया था उस रेस के अंदर, तो नाम उस वक्त था। और आई थिंक मुंबई में मैं जब पहली बार आया था, एक्टर बनने नहीं आया था, ऐसे ही अपनी माँ के साथ आया था, तो एक अपार्टमेंट में ठहरे हुए थे हम लोग, या फैमिली से मिलने का, मैं नीचे आया तो मैं उनसे मिला नहीं हूँ बहुत सालों से, उनकी बेटी को भी एक दो बार देखा है मैंने, कभी थैंक यू नहीं बोला, लेकिन द फर्स्ट फोटोग्राफ समबडी टुक ऑफ माइंड वाज मिस्टर जगदीश माली। मैं नीचे जा रहा था तो मैं कहा यहाँ बैठो, शर्ट भी उन्होंने अपनी एक फलारी से बनाई, मुझे कहा एक फोटो लूँगा, मैं फौजी कर चुका था। सो आई थिंक दैट्स द फर्स्ट पिक्चर टेकन इन मुंबई। As far as magazine is concerned, there was a Delhi magazine with a gentleman called Mr. Lahiri, who was a writer, I think, for the newspaper again, and he did the picture.
शाहरुख, अगर बात करें हिसाब से आपने पिछली जिंदगी की बात करी, तो जब आप आए थे यहाँ पे तो मुंबई सेंट्रल की वो रात की जो आपने मुंबई सेंट्रल स्टेशन पे देखी थी, उसके बाद आज आप अपने आप को इस मकाम पे देख रहे हैं, ये बात किंग ऑफ द बॉलीवुड, ऐसा आपको एक टाइटल दिया गया, किस तरीके से आप इस सफर को देखते हो और कितना जिम्मेदार है सफर है?
जैसे मैंने बताया, एक्चुअली यू नो आई हैव नेवर वर्क, आई थिंक कोई भी एक्टर ऐसा नहीं करता है, या करते होंगे। मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं कि मैं यू नो प्रॉस्पेरिटी या पॉस्टेरिटी के लिए काम करूं, कि पीछे क्या बीत गया, कब था। वो एक रात थी, मुंबई सेंट्रल पे नहीं थी, आई थिंक ओबरॉय होटल के सामने मैंने गुजारी, और आई फेल्ट दैट आई शुड कम हियर एंड वर्क हार्ड, एंड आई डिडंट थिंक आई वुड बी एन एक्टर, but I have become one. I feel very happy that I could do, and मुंबई नगरी जो है उसने मुझे इतना दिया है, इंडिया ने इतना दिया है, पूरी दुनिया ने इतना दिया है। बट ऐसा मैं कभी सोचता नहीं हूँ कि जो जर्नी है अभी, अब मैं कितनी I mean the word that you use is that how properly I have to lead this life or not lead this life. Like I said, मैं सुबह उठता हूँ और काम करता हूँ, और होप करता हूँ कि जो काम आज कर रहा हूँ वो जो कल किया है उससे बेहतर होगा। कभी कभी हो जाता है, कभी कभी नहीं होता है, एंड मैं ये फॉल्स मॉडेस्टी या ह्यूमिलिटी से नहीं कह रहा हूँ। आई थिंक जब आदमी 20-22 साल तक एक ही काम रोजाना करता है, तो एक उसमें एक सच्चाई रहती है, विच इज़ बियॉन्ड व्हाट वी रीड एंड हियर। ये सिर्फ यही इंपॉर्टेंट है और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं। सो टू मी, यस, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली व्हाट आई डू इन द मॉर्निंग ऑन द सेट्स इज परहैप्स द कोर ऑफ माई लिविंग, एंड आई डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि क्या हो गया है और क्या होने वाला है।
Just 1 second, you please raise your hands up. Identify your media. 1 second, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Let me finish. Raise your hand up, identify the media, and stick to the question only, please. Please do not ramble. You had your chance.
रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, बड़ों का सम्मान करते हैं, तो वही कहीं कुछ ऐसे बड़े नहीं हैं जो आपसे नाराज हैं, ऐसे मनोज कुमार साहब, तो उनको उस चीज कैसे देखते हैं?
I don't know, yaar. I am actually just come back. I don't have any idea what's happening. But having said that, very honestly, I had gone, and if he had made a mistake in a film, I'd gone personally and apologized. Now, with all my due respect and the greatness of all the creative people around in this country who've existed before me and will exist after me, if there is a legal recourse somebody needs to take, they're most welcome to. And I think they will do it with the distributors who made a genuine mistake, according to me, by showing a print in Japan, perhaps, which was not edited the way we had edited the rest of it. It's an old print, and I guess everyone has to do what they have to do, and I have to bear what everyone else has to do. It's not personal. I don't take it personal. I take it as a legal thing or an official thing he wants to do against the distributors of the film, and if he's so convinced, he should. फिलहाल तो वो वक्त नहीं आया कि मैं बैठ के अपनी पुरानी फिल्म में घर में देखूँ, पर जिनके साथ भी मैंने काम किया, और मैंने हर बार बोला ही, डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, एक्टर्स बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, सबने बहुत मेहनत की है मेरे साथ, लेकिन आई डू ओwe my career to most of the leading ladies or actresses, even in non-leading roles. फरीदा जी, रीमा लागू जी, बहुत सारी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, so I don't want to discount their names, but मेरा career जो है, because a lot of my romantic films have done very well. A lot of my songs, as a matter of fact, I was in Hawaii one day and we were listening to my songs, and all of them are beautiful because I think the ladies in them have made them fantastic. So I respect them a lot. I miss them. Even when I'm not working with them, I think of them a lot. I try to stay in touch as much as I can beyond my business and schedules. And I'll always say that most of my stardom, apart from the directors, producers, because of the leading ladies and all the ladies who work with me, and I share a lot of love and goodness with them.
Madhu, please. Yeah.
Sorry, I just have a message from Dilip sir. Saira ji called to say कि उनको बहुत खुशी है कि ये फिल्म फेयर मैगजीन का कवर जो है आज लॉन्च हो रहा है. वो बहुत यहाँ पर आना चाह रहे थे, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स एज वी ऑल नो थोड़ा सा हेल्थ रीजन की वजह से और also being in a place where there's a lot of crowd and stuff, it's difficult for him to make the journey here. But he sent his best wishes, his love to Filmfare, to Jitesh, to all who are present here. Actually, he said, please tell all the media on behalf of Dilip sir. I think that's the greatness of the person, that he knows there's a launch, he was invited, he couldn't make it, so he sent you all his love and said, don't ask Shah Rukh any question on my behalf, he'll give you the wrong answers. But the fact is that he just sent wishes to everyone. So thank you, Dilip sir, and on behalf of him, we thank all of you for being here.
Madhu.
ये चूज कर रहे हैं. मैं बार बोलता हूँ कि मैं फिल्म चूज़ नहीं करता. डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर सोचते हैं कि मैं किसी फिल्म का हिस्सा यहाँ बन सकूँ. डॉन फरहान को ऐसा लगा कि मैं डॉन का किरदार प्ले कर सकता हूँ मॉडर्न टाइम्स के लिए, एज अ ट्रिब्यूट टू द ग्रेट फिल्म दैट बच्चन साहब हैव डन.
स्थानीय लोग और जो सिंचाई विभाग में मैंने कहा था कि हम इस पे कार्रवाई करेंगे, उस तरह की कोई आपके पास आई है?
नहीं, मेरे पास नहीं।
एक सवाल की फिल्में आ रही है, खुशियों का माहौल है बॉलीवुड में, तो कहीं ना कहीं संजू बाबू को लेके सब टेंशन में भी है। आपकी बात भी क्या, आप क्या सोचते हैं? आप